Super Mario Brothers in Chuck the Cuckoo Bird Returns. Hey Big Bro, do you know why Chuck the Cuckoo Bird has 72 views? I don't know. Why? Because it's so funny! Okay, it was funny. Guys, look out the window. There's Chuck, my idol. And there's Red. And there's Piggy. It's you. I'm falling to hit you in the head. Oof. Oh. Cuckoo. I think he goes cuckoo crazy. Wario's right. He thinks you go cuckoo crazy, Chuck. The whole road went round once and twice and 3 times, and my hand went rolling down the road, pulling me after it. That's a lesson for them to break into our house.
If there's a fire or someone's trying to break into your home or somebody's been hurt, that's when you call 911. One person's dumb joke could be another person's disaster.
That's all, folks. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe.